Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we are going to cook shrimp biryani. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and also hit the bell button so that you are notified every time we make a new recipe. These are the ingredients we are going to use for today's recipe. For the full list of ingredients, please check the bottom of the video. I'm going to start by blending these ingredients. We start with 1.5 cups of coconut milk, half a cup of tamarind sauce, 2 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of fresh ginger, 5 pieces of dried peach, and half a cup of fresh coriander. Blend this about 1 minute and it becomes nice and juicy. This is how the blend looks, and we are going to put this mix when we are cooking the shrimp. This is 3 cups of rice with 6 cups of water, and I washed this rice about 3 to 4 times so that most of the starch is out of the water. And now I'm going to add some oil in it and some salt in it, and then we are going to keep it for boil. I'm going to cook it on high heat right now. Now I'm going to put some oil in this. It's about half of what I have taken out here. I'll put it on high heat, and as the oil is heating up, we'll be putting some onion in it, and then we'll make it brown. Oil is now hot, and I'm going to put this onion. It's a 1 large onion chopped. At this point, we have to keep stirring the onion so that it's equally brown. We are going to make it nice and dark. So now you can see it's getting brown. We are going to make it a little darker than this, and that gives more taste in the biryani with a blend of other spices. But this has to be a little darker than what you can see now. I'm still cooking on high heat. Now I'm going to add the mix that we blended. You can see how dark this is. So it's still on the high heat, and it will keep on reducing. As it gets a little hot, I'm going to add the shrimps in it. It's a 1 pound of shrimps. Size is 3140. That means you get 31 to 40 pieces in a pound. Now this shrimp was marinated in light soya sauce and Worcestershire sauce. Now we are going to let it reduce. I'm adding garam masala and I'm adding nutmeg. And we are going to let the whole sauce reduce. That is, the water will reduce and become thicker. I'm adding some salt in this. The important thing is this sauce has to reduce so most of the water is out of here. So when we add the rice, it's going to cook nice and dry. Now this has been boiling for about 5 minutes now, and you can see the color of the mix. It looks beautiful. Now we have to still wait a little bit longer so that most of the water is out. So I am adding this shredded unsweetened coconut. It's about a tablespoon of it. Now you can see most of the water is gone. You can see the thick sauce here now. So what we'll do at this point is we'll add our rice to it. We are going to put this rice. This is not completely cooked. It still has to be steamed. When we cook biryani, we cook it in layers. So most of the sauce is at the bottom and rice is on top. This is butter and oil with saffron in it, and I'm going to spread it all over the rice above. Now we reduce the temperature to 1, and we are going to cover it up and let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. It's 12 minutes now, and I'm going to open this lid. can see and I'm going to shut this stove. You can blend shrimp with rice. This is mint, so we are going to put on top. One thing to keep in mind when you are preparing the rice is let the water boil till the time you see the bubbles on top of the rice, and then you remove it from the stove and keep it ready to mix with the sauce. This is the mixed biryani ready to be plated. Now I'm going to put this biryani in plate. This is our finished shrimp biryani, and if you have enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Until next time. Now we are going to sample biryani and let you know how it tastes. One for mom and one for pops. Good? Good?
Tasty!
Tasty. It turned out good, really. Delicious.